In today's digital age, social media has become a cornerstone of marketing strategies for businesses of all sizes. Introducing ZeroChat, the complete messenger marketing software for Facebook designed to revolutionize the way businesses engage with their audience and drive results. With its comprehensive features and intuitive interface, ZeroChat empowers businesses to harness the power of Facebook Messenger for marketing, sales, and customer support, all in one platform. Messenger bot automation. Say goodbye to manual tasks and repetitive conversations with ZeroChat's Messenger bot automation. Create custom chatbots that handle customer inquiries, qualify leads, send personalized messages, and more, freeing up time for your team to focus on high-value tasks. Multi-channel messaging. Reach customers on their preferred channel with ZeroChat's multi-channel messaging capabilities. In addition to Facebook Messenger, ZeroChat supports SMS, email, and live chat, allowing businesses to communicate with their audience across multiple platforms from a single dashboard. Dynamic personalization. Delight customers with personalized messaging experiences using ZeroChat's dynamic personalization features. Tailor messages with merge tags, user attributes, and custom fields to create highly targeted and relevant communications that resonate with your audience. Automated sequences. Nurture leads and drive conversions with ZeroChat's automated sequences. Set up drip campaigns, follow-up sequences, and sales funnels that guide customers through the buyer's journey, from initial contact to purchase and beyond, increasing engagement and driving sales. CRM integration. Seamlessly integrate ZeroChat with your existing CRM system to sync customer data, track interactions, and provide personalized experiences across all touchpoints. With real-time data syncing and robust integration options, businesses can streamline their workflows and deliver seamless customer experiences. Analytics and reporting. Gain valuable insights into your messaging performance with ZeroChat's analytics and reporting tools. Track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and more, and use this data to optimize your messaging strategy for maximum effectiveness. Whether you're a marketer, a sales professional, or a customer support agent, ZeroChat provides you with the tools you need to engage with your audience, drive conversions, and build lasting relationships. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With prompt responses and comprehensive documentation, we're committed to ensuring your experience with ZeroChat is smooth and hassle-free. Ready to elevate your Facebook Messenger marketing strategy? Visit the ZeroChat website today and discover the power of messenger marketing with ZeroChat.